Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the Gboard as the default keyboard in this device. Simply, first of all, we need to install the Gboard in your device. Here you can see I already installed the Gboard. So, and after this one, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option general management. Here you can see the option keyboard list and default. Okay. Now here you can see the option default keyboard. If you tap on this one, now you can see the Gboard is not showing. Okay, so for this one, first of all, we need to turn on one option Gboard here. Turn on, tap on OK. And after this one, tap on default keyboard. So here you can see the Gboard is there. Simply from here you can select the Gboard. So here you can see we successfully set the Gboard as our default keyboard. So simply in this way we can set the Gboard as the default keyboard in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.